Cancel. Cancel.
Tak baik.
Cancel. That's a back down. Boleh bawa ni? Boleh bawa ke tak? Dah pandai handle kan? Ada. Kita buat makeup. Ada everything. Don't worry. Kita ambil memory card ni dulu, simpan kukuk lah apa jadi. Kita bagi memory card lain.
Apa-apa jadi kita kena bayar apa-apa.
Bayar with your life ha.
Tak clear macam tadi. Hana mesti cakap.
Mana orang macam dia?
No, don't. Hey, Nanti kita buat skydive.
Siapa kita? You?
I had fun.
Leh.
At least boleh expect kalau buat swing next time.
Macam mana kan? Dapat the taste of a swing a little bit. Lord of the fries. Oh.
Tiba kita
Dah macam Minah Saleh dah. Geng-geng Ahmad Saleh ni. Mana kita?
Kiwi Bird Life Cup.
Kiwi Bird Life. Bird. Oh! Terkejut kita. Kawan ni kita tak. Wah, daringnya. Main reverse. Main ghost time macam tu. Dah nak langgar kita. Tapi tak langgar lah. Biasalah agent overreact.
lagi Melaka. Lagi Melaka.
Overreact sangat.
Macam over sikit.
So kita nak pergi Kiwi Bird Life. Kita tengok burung kiwi. Okay. Orang duk kiwi sangat. Kiwi apa ni? Let's go. Find out. Macam mana rupa burung kiwi? Go.
Macam kucing yang beli mam tadi.
Kiwi Bird Life Park ni betul-betul depan Skyline Gondola. Shit! Katak ke tu? Katak? Yak. This is the kiwi. Kiwi Bird. Kiwi Bird Life Park. Kiwi this way. Kiwi. Kiwi. Cumi. Kiwi cumi.
Oh, so you can come and go as you choose, and we've got quite a few things going on. Oh, cute boots.
Oh, thank
They're
you.
wicked, I like them.
Thank you so much. Heavy though.
Yeah. But they're pretty, so it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Where are you guys from?
Malaysia.
Okay, so this is going to be your audio guides, guys.
Oh.
So welcome. And for you.
Alright, thank you.
Okay then guys, so I'll just take you through here.
Do not use in Kiwi house. So I cannot use my camera.
Not in the Kiwi house, but everywhere else is fine.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay then guys, so welcome to the park.
Thank you. Yay.
Wonderful. So we have got a few things going on. We have two Kiwi houses. House number 1
Okay.
and house number 2.
Alright.
So do look in both of the houses. Those guys.
Alright. Oh.
They're feeding.
Hello.
Get that a lot. We've had them land in the park as well before now. Yeah, then they've got it wrong. So we're just like, keep going. So down there at 1:30.
So I can use my camera over there?
Yeah, absolutely.
But
fine,
not
yeah.
in these houses?
Only place you can't is in the Kiwi houses.
Alright,
but as you walk around, you'll see lots of cool birds that go crazy, okay?
Yay.
You walk around, you see a number, you just push the number. You need to change the volume. It's just those buttons either side. But apart from that, number and you're good to go, okay?
Okay.
Have fun, guys. Anything
Thank you very
need,
much.
come back
Thank
and
you
see
so
us.
much.
Thank you.
Yay. What is this? Oh. Dah. Nombor satu. Oh. Kita suruh pergi stop tu. Kat sini, Kiwi House tu. Dia kata pergi to stop number 2. Oh, bestnya macam treasure hunting. Stop number 2. Ni 3. So dia ada macam banyak stops. You have to go to all the stops. So fun. Why listen? Stop number 2. Tuatara. Katakan nombor 2. tak boleh pakai kamera dalam Kiwi house. More pork. No thank you. Amaya.
Takutnya tak boleh.
Bebe.
Ada orang tak? Seorang.
Seorang lah.
Seorang lah. Serius.
Dah, terlanggar masuk dalam tu lah.
Kita kena air pocket tu. Ada orang lah. Ada lah.
Ada ke?
Mana boleh. Seorang-seorang. Tak tersangkut orang mana.
Do you know there's a show about to start?
It's
Well
about
worth
to
a
start
watch.
now? Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
it's just over there. They
Thank
have
you.
birds flying around. It's really
Alright,
worth
cool.
watching.
Thank you so much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Awak, show tu nak start. The bird show is starting. Let's go.
I'll be giving everyone a few little tips and tricks, things that everyone can all do to help out with conservation no matter where you are. Now, unfortunately here in New Zealand, we've actually already lost 40% of our natives to extinction. As today, she's an absolute crowd pleaser. She's pretty adorable. Now, a few things you'll notice about Molly straight away. Come on, Molly. There we go. How can anyone miss those big, beautiful yellow eyes of hers? Now, she's having a pretty good look around this afternoon. You'll notice she has these wings, all of her primary wing feathers. But here in New Zealand, before humans came, we were literally a paradise for birds and for reptiles. Long way in the past 30 years. We've cleared it all out and we've planted out about 12,000. We've chosen to use a round of applause. So once I give Molly her last wee bit of food, which today is some delicious chopped up rat. Titus the Tuatara. There we go. What a reaction.
Yeah.
And he is definitely not slowing down. He is a very active chap down there in Invercargill. Our adult tuatara are just tucked up in their burrows having a great big just yell out, let one of us know, that would be awesome. But I'm sure... There's a piece. What? A what? What is it? Very well done, guys. You passed our audience awareness test. How many have you seen now? Two. Kimmy is always a bit slower than the other two. Here she comes. These are actually our 3 show rats. These are the Ratdashians, Kim, Courtney and Chloe. A bird of about this size produces an egg of about this size.
Wow.
Yeah, good reaction. That is absolutely incredible. It's one of the biggest egg-to-body ratios of any bird in the world. This one here, 500 grams, and that's a replica of the size and the weight that this poor bird has to carry around. But in case anyone doesn't quite believe me, this is 2 days before Mum was going to lay.
Oh my god.
So hopefully that egg is pretty obvious in there. I don't need to point that one out to you guys. Sorry, Dave. I actually also need the Now introducing this beautiful boy. This is Havoc, the Australian brush-tailed possum. Just over a year old now. So he's still in training at the moment, so I'm just doing a bit of target training with us some issues. So this girl comes from the east coast of Australia, the beautiful Australia, 20 to 25 years. And these guys, awesome Jemima, you're doing great. She's going to go, you're going to let it go. And she brings it back to her mother like a good little girl.
Tu dua lah. Abang terus pergi sana.
Coughs, flu. Did you want to try all of them, or just are you happy just to try some? Or?
What are the difference? I mean, probably from different...
What's the best one?
Yeah.
Oh, well, the best one's that one. That's what we think.
Yeah.
Because it's got so much medicinal use, it's so good for your health. The other one that's really good for your health is this one, the beechwood honeydew. I think it's beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Very, very creamy. You can pop your used sticks in there if you like. Try it anyway, and then at least you know. You like it? Did you want to try?
Well, I probably get rid of mine.
Oh, that's all right, no problem. I've
sorry.
got plenty of these. No, don't worry.
That's too much.
No, that's all right. Just twirl your stick round. No, that's fine. No, that's fine.
kita yang memberi kesan pada kita Rata ni.
Yes.
Kan?
Rata memang lain sangat.
Dengan yang honey yang biasa tu.
Honey tu sebab dia cair macam kat Malaysia je.
Oh lah. Tapi rasa
Rasa dia je. Rasa dia different lah.
kan?
Masuk dalam. Different price.
Try that. That one. Kita beli main kita. Kita agak bergerak ya. Rasa tu ni. Satu je.
The clover.
Yang ada print second.
Clover.
Yang
Original.
So kita beli two each. Okay. Dia makan honeydew saja. Wow, sedap.
Yes. I think I will get. Why are you this?
Ambil 5 tapi dia check the 5. 100 gram is 30. Tampuk tangan. Tak ada.
Honeydew ni dia.
The big one? Should I get the big one?
Yeah, get the big one.
It's for my parents.
Sorry. Okay, it's okay.
Crazy Rich Asian. Tengok ada lagi tu lagi. Masya Allah, tak habis-habis duit 100 ni. Tengok. Never ending.
Kita tukar duit dapat satu sen.
Lovely, good choices.
Oh.
You guys filling up on honey.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so good though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Did you want to put these in your
Thank
honey?
you.
Thank you.
Alright,
Okay, thank you. Enjoy the rest of your day. Thank you.
Eh, bawa balik pula air. Bawa balik pula mendalam tu.
Are you finished?
Yeah.
Okay, no worries.
Thank you.
Did you have a nice time?
Yeah, very. I should have bought Kiwi dekat sini. Tak apalah. Dia souvenir je lah.
You have to carry everything.
Ada
Sekali pro.
2 kilo.
Itu apa? Nombor balik. Oh my god.
Wah kan extra lagi. Lagi masa ni.
Rasa kita nak sambung shopping. Okay dah, Hani dah check. Dah, Hani check.
Anxiety nak main mana nak beli honey.
Dah cakap dengan family akan bawa balik Hani. Tak sekali je tu. Hani je tu. My honey. Let's wait. Bayangkan kalau kita naik camper van. Parking lah tepi-tepi. Parking macam mana tu? It's a good choice buat kita. Tapi still dapat rasa experience.
Macam dah lah.
Not even the night tu berakhir pun rasa macam oh my god. Tak payah telefon lah kan? Nampak okey je.
Tapi bukan dia release bila macam waktu itu sesuai memang macam
Betul.
one of the girls yang tengok pink yang pergi cari penguin tu dia cakap kat one of the tourist dia cakap today is one of the day yang cuaca bagus. What? Today one of the nicest weather.
Bila masa pergi Manfred tu?
Masa atas kapal tu dia cakap one of the tourist tanya.
Where have you been?
So what?
Daripada mana?
Macam radio tu lah. Confused betul lah dia orang punya.
To them it's nice lah.
Yeah, the weather is nice. 15 degrees.
Ni nak makan atas helikopter ke Cik?
Tak.
Cik nak makan helikopter ke? Kau ni nak pergi for a heli ride.
Sekali lah. Dia macam nak tengok ATM lain juga. Boleh tak?
Boleh je.
Ke sama je semua ATM?
Boleh je. Are you ready for your first extreme sport activity? Helicopter ride.
Mana? Kenapa sini?
Casually eating orange in the middle of Queenstown. Kita tengok kiwi tadi. Nak beli kitchen kiwi apa ni? Comel.
Kita ada luggage Kiwi. Price tag. Kita lupa buat kita tadi.
Okay.
Ni, sini je. Sekejap ke? Pergi makan malam ni ke korang malam? Makan telur je malam ni.
Kita nak pergi tengok harga chocolate. Baik.
ATM ada kat situ tadi. Tuan ni satu nak
Baik. Have fun.
Bye korang.
Bye. Bye Rich Asian.
Buat macam tu dekat lain juga. Wow.
Wow. Okay, bro, jangan lupa.
Dah bagi ke?
Tak, jangan tertinggal. Lupa tinggal. Lupa tak guna tak apa. Jangan lupa tinggal. Bye. Bye. Let's explore. Tak tahu apa lagi nak explore. Saya macam nak explore everything. But let's explore. Weather sangat nice hari ni. Sangat sunny. Lepas ni nak pergi Park and Save. Town. Nak check it out. Lepas tu nak jalan-jalan makan-makan. Tomorrow we're heading to Fox Glacier. Oh yeah. Spiral potato from Eric's Fish and Chip. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hello car, how are you car? Long time no see. Park and Save. Feels like home. Let's go. Park and Save, yo. Park and Save. Kita nak beli ni pun. Oh, $6 mahalnya. Alamak, mahal. Hari tu beli $5 je. Nak try sekali. Coklat. Ya, coconut. Coconut satu. Biscuit. Peanut butter. Wah, peanut butter. Itu almond gold yang dalam tu.
Sedap.
Peanut butter sedap ke? Macam best ni. Kita tak suka fruit tu.
Tak suka kismis.
Tak suka. Beli bag kenang-kenangan. Shopping bag. Yep, thank you. Sausage.
Apa banyak sama coklat.
Visit. Thank you. Bye.
Beli dekat sini ada Asian Market. Sini ada Asian Market. I miss last week and sampah. But they got sell in takkkk.
Tempat lagi ya?
Almost semua cover dia.
Pasti nak pergi mana?
Fox Glacier.
Oh, Fox Glacier.
Dan bawa balik.
Nak naik tu?
Betul lah.
Tak mampu.
Ya, tak mampu.
Bagus lah macam ni.
Kita bawa dia.
Homesick ni.
Ini pun Malaysia. This one saya tak pernah tengok.
Instant nasi.
You ada pernah tengok dekat Malaysia?
Menang.
Wah, serius.
Tak pernah.
Memang tak pernah tengok. Wah, sebenarnya convenient lah macam ni. Boleh tahu saya tengok sekejap lah. Saya
Boleh switch.
Sama.
Hear you, but count yourself. No one else can hear you either.
It's easy to set a young heart on the run, to see it crashing out the sky, falling one by one. Walking alone on the coldest night. There's nothing I could ever say to change your mind. I gotta live without your love. We've said goodbye. angel.